Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could create a short for your videos using your computer or your desktop. To do that, open your browser, type youtube.com, access your YouTube channel and click on YouTube Studio. On the next step, click on Create, Upload Videos, select Files. Here you must make sure that your short video is less than 60 seconds, which means that less than 1 minute. It can be equal to 1 minute and even less by 1 or 2 seconds. That's even better. So let's locate our video. Wait until it loads fully. So we'll just click next, next, next. And here we'll just make it public and we'll click publish. This is the first step. We'll just click close. Next step, go to content, click on details for your video, and here add hashtag shorts. You can either type it or just copy paste it. And as I have added hashtag shorts, I will just click save. Now click on Studio. And once you go to customization, after a few minutes, as you can see, you should be able to see your short videos. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.